Hello and welcome at the World Championships Canoe Polo here in Deqing, China. Sorry for the delay. There's still being some plastic put down here as an extra water cover because at some point it was quite literally raining quite hard inside the pitches that they sent up. Well, we see a pedal foul being made. And the first goal is in favor of the French team. So now charging towards the Polish goal is the French under-21 team with number 1 Ricard, number 2 Lorraine, number 3 Niane, number 4 Amon, number 5 Reiner, number 6 Odot, number 7 Rudas, number 8 Munster, with coaches Brul and Rischer. And on the right from Poland with number 1 Belrira, number 2 Nowinski, number 4 Rebalski, number 5 Manzak, number 6 Taluk, number 7 Rashuba, number 8 Kiasek, number 10 Kiasek, and the coaches Kolinowski and Belrira. Well, we see a very fast, efficient break in favor of the Polish, tying the score back up after just 3 minutes of play. So far these teams have had a very similar story in this tournament. At the start of this tournament, the Polish under-21 men were actually ranked 4th and France was ranked 5th, but that doesn't say all that much. Portuguese is ranked 12th and the Czech are 13th, and the People's Republic of China are not ranked yet. These are the other teams in their pool. While the refs signal 7 toward each other. Number 7 from the Polish made a foul. So next foul he makes will be penalized with a green card. But this was very nicely saved by the Polish team. They choose a very smart move by playing it a bit slower. The fast break was not an option anymore. So they choose to play it a bit slower, ensure their ball possession, and making sure they can make a very nice offense for us. But a foul was being made, so French are now back in ball possession. Very long pass, nicely done. A lot of room here on the rise with number 8 as well. Chooses to shoot himself, number 2, but it is just on top of the bar. Very nice pass, that long one just now. So the Polish so far have won against the Czech with 6 against 2. And the France have won 7 against 0. The Polish won 5 against 3 against Portugal. The French did 8 versus 1. And the Polish won 12 against 2 versus China and the 21 men. And France 13 against 1. So very similar results. The goal difference is in favor of the France, because they have a difference of 26, while the Polish have 16. But this is really the battle of becoming the first in this group phase. And if you do that, you should on paper meet some little bit weaker opponents. Not really the right terminology, because everybody's very strong here. But then you might up meeting, for example, 2 second places in comparison with 2 places. Ooh, second line shot from number 5 from Poland, Manzak, but he's stopped by the goalie from France with number 6, Huzhou. The powerful foul is immediately made afterwards. So now the Polish have a very good position to try and lure the opponents of defenders near him. And maybe he can, I was gonna say maybe he can find a small gap, but he was apparently not able because the French stopped him. The Polish coach is also very experienced, because he's been coaching for 14 years already, while the French coach is this his 2nd year. So maybe that can give just above the upper hand. Well, the French now do a very aggressive 1-2 defense, trying to pressure the Polish and making it space. But there is a lot of room after each other, or the back of the defense. The player was actually reached, but he could not score that goal just yet. Just under 3 minutes, French are now back in ball position. Again, a very long, accurate pass. Goal was still empty. Very nicely done. Especially between number 6 from France. He could have made his own goal from Huzhou, but he passed it to Reiner. French actually got a little money from the federation to get here, and a lot from the families, so thank you family. The Polish were funded to play here, so thank you federation. Well, now the French supporters here live are shouting more and more towards their team, and it was effective, because now they are in ball possession. Long shot, and it also finds the back of the net. Nice goal by Amon. Well, the Polish are now looking at a difference in scoring of 2. On the other pitch is Czech against Portugal. It's also a very exciting match on pitch 4, because there's almost nicely done, but with a bit of luck, French are still in ball possession, 1 versus 1. Yep, he touched the goalie. You're not allowed to do that. If he would have moved his front of the boat just a bit, then it would all have been okay. But you're just simply not allowed to move the goalie. Quick passes. Now a lot of room is being made by the number 10 player from Poland, Mr. Kalizak. But the French defender is nicely restoring his place. Nice work towards the shot there on the last. But now the French are still leading with a goal difference of 2. So now we have a 3-minute rest period. In that time, the players will receive some water from their coach and also some last-minute feedback. I want to thank our sponsors: International Canoe Federation, China Canoe Association, Huzhou City, Deqing County, Yupin Sports, Kong Group, Latour Sports, Caldas. Thank you very much for organizing or making this possible. I'll be back in 2 minutes now. And we're off. Mistake is being made by the French sprinter, so that the ball is automatically rewarded for the Polish. Both of these teams have set their goals very high, targets for this tournament, because the French want to win and the Polish at least want to get to a top 5. But one of the most hard things to actually achieve in an under 21s men's class is pass your group phase, because under 21 players are quite famous for making the most beautiful polo, in my opinion. Oh, just not enough control from Niande. And he now also lost his pedal. And if there's one thing that's not very impressive, is a canoe polo player without his pedal. Second line shot attempt from number 5, Kalizak, captain of the Polish. Well, we're being reffed here by Ricardo Ruit and my Brit Sandberg. Those are the people that are standing in the rain for you. Nice, a lot of fake attempts to throw, trying to fool the defense. Nice long pass to the right. There was a lot of room, but the pass was not good enough for the very strong, fast options. Now a long pass. Oh, but there was no Polish player there anymore. So they very quickly responded by the French number 7 Rose. Made this fast break possible. Again, those fast, long breaks are very effective from the France so far. There are actually 32 players that were attempting to get into the selection of the France. But now only 8 made it. So that gives you an idea how much concurrency there is in the France under 21 men's class. Especially because 3 new players made the team. Number 5, Reine, number 7, Roos, and number 8, Moonster. And it's nicely divided by a lot of players that are actually here for the last time in the under 21 class. Because there are 5 players for whom it is the last year here. Number 1, Ricard. Number 2, Lerene. Number 3, Leander. Number 4, Amo. And number 6, Odo. So it is literally made up of newbies and for whom it is the last year. At the Polish we also have a new player with us, number 10, Karizek. And there were actually 12 players applying for the team, of which only 8 made it. And for number 4, our goalie, Redzbalski. And number 10, it is the last year they are able to play. Excuse me, I said number 10 was a newbie, but there are 5 new players. But I didn't receive the numbers, sorry. It was the longest playing, actually, number 10. A lot of fake throws, fake passes, trying to breach the French defense. But in that chaos, so sadly one of the Polish guy touched or was kind of hanging on the boat of the French, which cancelled their attack. Polish men now using a 1-2-2 defense, trying to get as much room between the attacker and the goalie, and leaving the very corners and the tight shots for our goalie. Bit of a fumble, but still in ball possession. 20 seconds remain on the shot clock. Long pass back, but the advantage has been given, so the French have a new minute. And you can see that these are smart players. I was gonna say, except number 2 touched the goalie, and as we discussed before, that's not allowed. The rest of the teammates were really trying to keep calm, passing the ball around, using that minute. Get the time more and more in your advantage. Because with just over 3 minutes left, it will be a very hard call for the Polish. If they want to make this, I was gonna say tie, but that's actually not enough for them to win here. Because they have a goal difference of 10 in favor of France at this moment. So you need the win in order to be on top of your pool. But with these kinds of mistakes, the French ensured their victory. Because I can't really see it happen that the Polish are actually able to win here at this time. Okay, some low passes, but those take also very long to get there, but sometimes are a bit safer. But with just over 2 minutes to play, the real fire that was happening in the first few moments is now a bit calming down. If the Polish were again a long pass, now very good that the player put his boat in between the opponents. Yeah, you're not allowed to touch a boat if someone is under the water, and for clear safety reasons. You can perfectly fine push that person that is going underwater. Nice pass. Kind of a trick pass there. Better foul being made. Second line shot and again deflected by the French goalie. It really doesn't matter here. Only the winner will be on top of the pool. And a tie is enough for the French. And it looks like Poland has also accepted their loss. But nothing is gonna happen to them yet. Very nicely that he actually kept control of the ball. Oh, nicely done. Yeah. The French goalie was actually hanging on the boat from the Polish player. Yeah, that's not allowed. But he was very quick. And luckily, Mr. Bolera was free to score. With 30 seconds remaining, the French really have nothing to worry about. They ensured themselves a victory, but again they made the offense a foul of touching the goalie. Long shot, imminent, and just over the goal. He really had no much options left.